Hello, I am Nahida. Welcome to Enoven Cake and Cookies. This instant quick poha dessert is a must try, made with simple ingredients. Let's get started. First, prepare the sugar syrup. In a pan, add half cup sugar, 1.5 cup water, and some soaked saffron. Let it boil for 2 to 3 minutes until the syrup slightly thickens. Keep it aside. Now heat 2 tablespoons ghee in a pan. Add some almonds and cashews and some raisins. Roast for 30 seconds until golden brown. Set them aside. Did you know poha isn't just for breakfast? It's a great base for sweet dishes too. In the same pan, add 2 cups of poha with 1 tablespoon ghee. Roast on low heat for 3 to 4 minutes until crispy and aromatic. Adding nuts and dried fruits not only makes this dessert tastier but also give it a nice crunch and extra nutrition. Now add the warm sugar syrup to the roasted poha and cook for 3 to 5 minutes until it absorbs the flavor. Flattened rice absorbs flavors beautifully, which is why it's used in both sweet and savory dishes across India. What's your favorite way to enjoy poha? Sweet or savory? Comment below. Now add some milk powder, roasted nuts, and some grated coconut. And add some tutti frutti. Mix everything well and your instant quick poha dessert is ready to serve. Did you know poha is made from rice but is gluten-free and super light on the stomach? Try this recipe and tag us in your pictures. We would love to see your version. This is the ultimate 5-minute dessert. No baking, no long preparation time, just pure deliciousness. Looking for more instant desserts? Let me know in the comments and I will bring you more amazing recipes. Subscribe to Enoven Cake and Cookies and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our yummy recipes.